Mackenzie at the doctor's office?
Yeah. Oh, okay. Good girl. Good girl.
Oh,
Yeah.
what's the surprise?
What is that? Oh, are you peeing on mommy, aren't you?
You feel it?
Are you peeing or you farted?
Probably farting. Mackenzie, the farter.
Ooh, she farted.
Nice one. Daddy's backing up. Watch out.
Okay, Daddy's just kidding.
No, he's not kidding. Notice I have gotten farther away.
Daddy's silly.
Those farts are no joke.
Yeah, Daddy's silly. Huh? That's because you phone Pepe. Huh? It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I love you. Mommy doesn't back away from you. Yeah.